morning, sunshine.
Good morning.
You sleepy?
Well, if you're feeling sleepy, then just imagine how I feel when I drank alcohol yesterday as well.
Are you hangover?
No, not really, but I would love to sleep a couple of more hours.
Well, yeah, let's go get the Volvo. Yeah, so why I had the other car was because I was washing and cleaning the car for 3 hours yesterday, and it has been standing here and drying.
Seat. Stanna. Lilo is just like, the fuck are we doing up right now? Because it's so early in the morning, and usually we give her food around 7, and then she likes to go back to sleep for a couple of hours. But today she's just like, oh, what are we doing right now?
Actually, I don't like tucking. I like flush fitment and fender to lip, but
The only time you get good fitment, uneven ground.
fuck you, fuck you. Yeah, so as you see, Benjamin is filming and the dogs are running around and playing in the snow. But we're gonna give you a little teaser in the end of this video. And on Wednesday we're gonna release the whole video itself. So make sure you are subscribed, because you don't want to miss that. Yeah, so I'm home right now and I'm gonna pick up my skis. For those who don't know, my other big passion, that's not cars, is skiing. And so the whole clip is like, it's going to represent myself a little bit because later in this video we're going to go out and ski. So I'm going to ski down and pack my shit or my skis and stuff in the car, rolling with the car, and yeah, I'm going to come home, but I don't believe we're going to end the video. But so yeah, I'm gonna pick up my skis because we're gonna film when I'm packing up and going in the elevator or something like that. So yeah, you're gonna understand when you see everything, me explaining stuff, bad as usual. But yeah, so yeah, that was me skiing, and yeah, that was me skiing. So yeah, I don't know how much you got in the video, but on Wednesday you're gonna see the whole video. So make sure to subscribe, and if you like this and the other video, give it a like, and enjoy life.